Hey, welcome back to the Marina. We got a new project. We got a compass issue. Let's take a look at the current compass. You're gonna laugh at this one. Oh yeah, look at that one. Yeah, that ball's come loose. It's all flipped up. So you can see what that looks like. Kind of hard to see it, but you can see what here. You can see from the side here, maybe. See how that ball's crooked? Look at that thing. That thing move around in there. It's all jazzed up. So we're going to replace that. So we start by taking out the screws. So let's get going. Oh, we start taking out these screws. And look, that comes out real easy. And we got our, look at that. We even got plug-ins here, so we can unplug it and plug it in. Look at that. So we're gonna splice some wires. We'll cut these. We'll cut these here loose. We'll splice the new ones in. All right. So we got the old one out, and here's the wires it's got. And the nice thing is it's plug-in. So we're gonna cut these loose from here. And then we're gonna strip these. You give it a good, after you give it a good tug, give it a yank. Again, crimp it good and tight. We give it a tug. All right, let's go plug it in, see how it works. All right, so we plug these two wires in. You should be able to look in here and see the glow. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of hard to see. It's kind of hard to see in there, but should be glowing green. All right, so we can stuff this in and put this back in the dash. You can see we've got a little bit of a fit up there. We're going to have to drill some more holes for this one. So this is the way it fits forward. It should be just like this. We have to go get our drills and drill bits and drill some holes here. Looks like we got 3 holes to drill. So this should be pretty easy for us. So all right, so we got the right angle drill here. So it'll come down like this. Now we can get a screw out, put it in that hole. All right, now we got to see if we get these other ones to drill. We got to put the drill in farther. Okay, gotta get the drill. It's gotta be a lot shorter. Made that drill real short by breaking it off. That looks like we're gonna have to go get a pen, mark those 2 spots, and then pull it back out to drill it. I know it's there. I don't know. Okay. Maybe now we can get that to come up and make that work. Right, so we got it in. We got our new compass up, so isn't that ducky? All right, so here's our compass at night. There it is in the dark. Here's the light on. Isn't that nice? It's really nice the way it lights up. Very cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But hey, that's neat, man. Look at that. Hey, the new compass is in, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Post notifications on. Don't miss another one of these Maxim improvement videos. Once again, it's the Maxim. It's a 2001. It's a 2400 SCR. Thanks for watching.